I'm sad. I don't want to be like creepy, but it makes me a little sad that I'm like, oh, she's 10 months almost already. I'm like, and then it's 2 months and she's done breastfeeding.
Is that your baby?
It's so crazy how fast it goes.
Is that your baby?
Oh, she is.
Did you see her with Owen trying to kiss him?
They're the same size. They're literally and his head is bigger than hers.
I know, but she does have a big head. That's like the one place where she's like off the charts.
Really?
Yeah, her head's like 95th
Maybe because it's like
percentile.
back. It goes back far.
She's like 95th percentile head. She's like a Bratz doll.
Are you a little bobblehead girl?
That's what I said when they're like, she's 95th head, 50th weight, and 25th height. I was like, oh, she's a Bratz doll. Oh, well.
Hi. Hi, Mom.
Hello.
That's where I got the idea. Hello to you.
And you and you. Margaret. Margaret. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Wait, let's do another trick. How big is Margaret?
So big.
Let's do it. How big is Margaret? Oh, no. So big.
Yay.
How big is Margaret?
When something like that happens, I always wonder, is it me? Yeah. But I was like, that is just trash.
She's like, I'm not doing any more tricks.